Hi guys, so we've made our sofa bed and this is it put together.
Yeah.
And as you can see, just to put it in perspective, I'm quite a tall person with my feet poking off the end. This is perfect that I can stretch out.
Yeah. But medium size or kid can sleep.
Yeah, a child could easily sleep on this, 2 children could.
Or Bailey can sleep in it.
And obviously there's room for the doggy as well. Our dog likes the bed more than I do by the look of it. He can't wait to get up here.
It is quite nice bed actually.
It works quite well for us because you can still squeeze past, jump down and you can squeeze past.
Yeah.
And get out the door without waking up the person in this bed.
Yeah, it is actually. I quite like it.
And then if you still need extra room, you can, of course, you can swivel the chairs to give you that extra room.
Extra room for legs.
Yeah, extra room for your legs or for your head if you want. But as I say, if I was sleeping here, I'd just poke them off the end.
Yeah. Yeah, that is really good. Happy with that.
And I can watch TV from here.
Yeah, easily can watch TV from here.
So the solution we came up with was just to buy a single piece of plywood, which we got cut at the timber yard, much cheaper than B&Q's, and we are going to fit some legs to it, and then essentially just hook it onto the front lip of that bench that you saw. So I'm going to get started with that. So my plan is to use this lip here, and using my cut piece of wood, I've put a lip on the board, which will then it then hooks onto the wood behind, so it can't fall forwards. I'm then going to put some legs on the bottom, and then the cushion will just simply rest on top, which will give us a wider sleeping area. So I've cut down another 4 legs using the angle grinder here, just off of one long piece of tubing. I believe this was used for coat hangers originally. So these are the legs, which is going to sit under here. I think we need to figure out how to fasten these slightly better. And then the next thing to do is to put a piece of wood along the front here also, so the wood's clamped in. I will need help with that one, so I'm going to call Mrs. Flack. We had already finished the camper van, and we decided to call a professional in to take a look at the van, and we needed to do a gas safety check and a habitation check. The kind gentleman suggested that we made a bed out of where the sofa is. As we'd already finished the sofa, we didn't really have the option to restart from the beginning and then make a pull-out bed. So we decided to go with the option of using this little ledge that clips onto the front and then sits on the poles. This is then neatly able to be stored below at the back of the seats. The whole unit stows away neatly, so you can't see it was there once the sofa seats are put back on top. It's quite a neat solution really, considering it's an afterthought. We couldn't find anything pre-made, So we're just trying to make our own solution. And I am certainly making a mess with the glue. I am very much aware of that. With the unit pulled out, it has space for 4 legs, and this rail here sits on this lip.
It's a lip. Can you show it properly? It's a lip you made.
Yeah, so it's just a lip to stop it from moving.
It's just gonna go into that lip.
We'll sit on that lip. Because we'd already built the sofa and we decided to go this route, the whole adaptation of the existing sofa into this pull-out bed, it just cost us about £60, because the main components were really just a couple of pieces of wood, a piece of plywood, and then the legs, which was a single piece of tubing that came from B&Q's.